Alright, what up people? What up? Welcome back. Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Ready for another good session. It's Monday. We're on the charts and we got a busy week coming up this week. We got an interactive one for you guys. We're gonna have a good session today. We're gonna have some fun this week. I'm already up $700 on the day. I just took a nice little scalp on gold. Got to show you guys. Let me see if I can show you the position. Let me see if it'll come up. Yeah, so I'm short pound futures. I just took a $700 scalp on gold shorts. So we're starting off the day pretty well. But today isn't about me. Today is about you guys. I want to share your guys' trades and see how YouTube fam can call out some positions, as well as I'll break down the charts and share all of my analysis as well for you guys. So we're going to have a fun week. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we got a fresh new 50k top step account set up here for you guys. And we're going to figure out a way on this YouTube to take the trades that you guys call live. So we're going to do that. Riley, what's going on? Welcome back. Good to have you back on the stream again. Right, let me just get the Zoom guys all in as well. How many people we got here? 8 people. Where is everyone today? Let me share all the links. Alright, let me share the link with everyone. Share the link, get the link out there. And we'll get started in a second. We got gold still pushing down. Like I said, I just took that nice little scalp on gold. My runners got hit, but it's still pushing down nicely, which is all good. It's all good. London session. All right. Cool. All right, the Zoom guys have been sent in. We'll let a few more people join the YouTube chat, and then we'll start breaking down the trades. You guys start sharing your charts, etc. We'll get everything rocking. Big dog checking in for the fans. Mark, what's going on, man? What up? What up? Mark might have some signals for us today. But yeah, we've got pound futures running down. Nice little $400 right now. Gonna go break even on this position soon. Alright. What time is it? Yeah, a couple more minutes. People aren't probably used to me coming out this time. But we're here. Ready for a session. How many ticks is this moving on gold? Gold's having a lovely push down here. Almost dropped like 15 ticks. Very, very nice. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Get a few more people coming in. We're going to have a good session today. We're going to have a good session. Look at that, 20 people in. 4 likes, guys. Run them likes up. As soon as we start hitting 10 likes, we'll start sharing the screen. Let me just let the Zoom guys in, see who's hit. Alright. Let me share my screen. Alright, cool. Alright, what up? Welcome back, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Yeah, welcome back, Zoom guys. Ready for another week. Could be a nice drive on gold into yesterday's lows. Yeah, I think we could see a nice push today, man. I think we could see a nice push. Hey, man, how's it going?
Oh, good.
Yeah, we still got a lot a lot of liquidity lows on gold that haven't yet been grabbed. Well, probably just grabbing the first one there. So that's that first low getting grabbed on Goldie. Just been wicked out. We got the second one all the way down there as well. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. We'll start breaking it down in a second. Start breaking down Goldie. We had some big news on Friday, but it didn't look like it actually really did too much. From what I saw, I didn't really watch it. I didn't watch the open at all. Probably any day last week, but I think, yeah. What was the news? Last Friday. Yeah, flash PMI, yeah. So you had flash PMI last Friday. Didn't really do much, to be honest, other than just chop around. Came up to grab the highs again. And had a nice little sell-off. Let me just show this in. What time is it? Alright, cool. It's 4 o'clock. So let's get started in a second. Gold's pushing down very, very well. Very, very well here on gold. Lovely liquidity play here down into this double bottom. You got a pretty decent push there already. What's that already pushing? You already got your 20 ticks for the day. It's a lovely sell-off there on gold. A very simple move. Let me just get rid of this. Quit. Let me share it on my phone. There you go. Cool. All right, let's do it. Let's break down gold. Break down the charts. See what's going on today. Let's get rid of this. These lows have been grabbed. These lows have been grabbed. This trend line's been grabbed. Absolutely everything that was called last week has all been grabbed on gold. This is the daily low, I believe. Let me just make sure. It's going to be the next level. Let me just see. Here's the 4-hour low. Yeah, daily low. Okay, cool. All right. Let me just clear all this off for a second. Let's get rid of this. And let's start on the weekly on gold. Last week closed pretty doji on gold. Ended up still closing bullish. Wait, 2 more people are joining Zoom. Let me get these guys in Zoom. So yeah, last week closed doji. Doji bullish right at this level of resistance. Wicked out previous weekly highs. But also failed to close above this resistance on gold and now kind of having this pushback down, which is pretty nice. I think on gold, if we're going to see retracements, back up into like these daily highs, which I think are going to get grabbed, you're very likely going to see these lows grabbed as well. So these are the 2 new liquidity levels to watch out for. And we've also got Friday's low as well, which is probably going to be grabbed. But overall, this low to get grabbed looks pretty nice. This is a very initial push down to start the day here, just reacting of just very simple resistance, already dipping down, almost 40 ticks, just very nice resistance level, dipping down pretty well. So yeah, gold's back to respecting the levels. This is going to be the previous daily high up here, daily low. So from an intraday perspective, you kind of are looking at this level here on gold. Broke above, very nice support, big push. Broke down, resistance, broke above, support, broke back below. So you may see gold come back up one more time. We've already kind of broken, retested there, dipping lower. You may see gold spike up a little bit more. And then you could be looking for shorts into the daily low. Futures chart here on the 30 is currently bouncing around this previous 30 level of support. All of these liquidity levels have been grabbed. You still got this one up here, but the next lows is going to be all of this. Next potential levels on gold is going to be down there. So if we use this is going to be probably the London range for today. You already had the liquidity grab this morning. It already had a pretty nice push back down, but yeah, you're probably going to see it bounce in these highs. You got a lot of liquidity on these 30 highs as well, so potential to see previous 30-minute high get grabbed before another move back down. But, you know, anywhere in this level, gold is going to be finding some support. So you don't want to be jumping into shorts just yet. You want to see how you're going to react off here for a potential retracement back up. So that's going to be the 30 levels for now on gold. 15. Let me clean up all these liquidity levels. Look at all this. Look at that. These are what we gave on Friday London session. Look at that. Wicked out the highs. Huge moves. All of this liquidity is now being grabbed. So let's get rid of all of these. That one's still valid. That one's also, look at that again. All being grabbed. Lovely little double bottom there. Came back down. Wick out the highs. Wick out the lows. Very, very nice move. Now, let's bring these 15 levels down a little bit. Kind of got 15 support right here at like 1940 on gold for today. Is going to be a pretty nice level. Where you may see some bounces higher. Play around this range a little bit more. Kind of had a big wick rejection here, but no real liquidity grab, so that got filled in pretty well. A mark on previous 15-minute highs. These are the lows from the 30, which could get grabbed pretty well. And now let's go on the 5-minute here. Like I say, I just took this nice little scalp on gold. My runners got taken out earlier than I would have liked. You know, it came back up. I had a runner here. It just got wicked out there and kept on pushing. But pushing down very, very well at the minute on gold. So that was the short entry. Now, if you're going to see a retracement up, you need it to create a lot more structure in this, because now gold's just pushing down very, very well. What's up, bro? What's going on, man? Put up. So intraday support and resistance, you kind of got it already. Broke, retested. Pushing down. Next level, also same again. You've already broken it, retested. You also respected that level. Probably could have got a nice short there again. Yeah, another 16 pips back down. But this is going to be the next level, where the only next short opportunity on gold is going to be if you come back up and regrab previous 5-minute highs. Other than that, gold's going to keep pushing down. It's already given the short opportunity once, twice this morning. So for now, you got to let it find some support at this 30 level, and now you got to wait for more price to form. Find some support, and then you may be seeing a bounce higher. All right, give me 2 seconds, guys. So yeah, that's the levels for this morning. And they are the levels. We'll see how we react. Like I say, it's already given 2 short opportunities on gold. This is also a nice little intraday liquidity grab, which got my runner. But still respect that level, dip back lower. I got some shorts on pound futures as well, which is kind of pushing nicely just off this little resistance coming into this double bottom. But yeah, let's wait till gold finds some support here. No top wick on this current 5, so you may start to see it find some support at this current 30 level, which is also going to be had that hourly close. Yeah, hourly close heavily bearish, but it's also big resistance. So you can expect, now that gold's had this push, you're probably going to range for the next 15, 30, possibly even 45 minutes. I think it will.
Don't be like that.
It's already had a pretty juicy sell-off. Well, happened at like 6 a.m.
You didn't get a signal, sir. I just,
But yeah, it's already. I'm starting to watch gold a little bit earlier now. If I'm around, it's been having some pretty early moves recently.
Honestly, the plan was to get it earlier today and start a proper routine again.
Yeah.
I just did not sleep at all last night.
You need sleep, man. You need that sleep.
You know, it's just kept on, thoughts going in my head that, Wales are going to win the World Cup and stuff. And, yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Got a good weekend.
Yeah, it was all good, man. All good. Pretty chilled. Didn't do too much to be honest, man. Just did new videos. Well, I was in actually that's a lie. I was in Brisbane on the weekend, working on the trading retreat.
Yes.
But yeah, how about you, man?
I will comment on the website today, okay?
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
No problem. You won't be saying that when I comment.
But well, yeah, we're hoping. I mean, we're hoping for you guys on YouTube. You're gonna start sharing some trades and giving us some signals, because this is what this is all about this week. Clearly, neither of the two know-it-alls are showing up today. So, disappointment. So, poor effort from the know-it-alls. Yeah, give us some signals, man. Give us some signals.
Yeah, help me pass my challenge.
Look at that. Man, my runner's got hit. That literally. Oh man, my runner's would hit like 22 pips. Look at that run.
Damn. That was loud.
Watching 13 likes. Please hit like if you haven't. Yeah, you tell him, man. Tell him. Get them likes up. How can we do this? That was a good idea. Good head and shoulders. Short we missed. See what London delivers. Yeah, it was a lovely head and shoulders as well. Yeah, very nice. It's a lovely little kind of 3-pin pattern there on the 15 as well. Lovely evening star formation. Look at that. Initial wick, liquidity wick, retest, short stops above the highs. Beautiful push. Take the retest, take the break low. It doesn't really matter. There's already 15 to 20 tick push. Lovely reversal formation there on gold. Right there. Very clean. And then on the 5 minute, you had that resistance, liquidity grab, breakdown, little retest, and big push. So yeah, lovely push. Can we give signals? Yeah, absolutely you can. Absolutely. Well, that's it. Well, how am I gonna do this? How are we gonna do? This is gonna be a week where we got this new Top Step account. I'm letting you guys on YouTube trade it for me. So you guys call the trades, we'll take it. We'll do it rules. We'll go for I'll make it fair. We'll go for 1-to-1 risk to rewards. 20 to 10 tick stop losses, and 10 to 20 tick TPs, and we'll wait for the 15 close, and then you guys can start giving us some signals. Let's see if we can. I got TradingView here linked to TradeAvate. So where are we on gold? So if I put in an order here, you guys should see it on the chart. Let me see. There you go. So you guys can see it on the chart. Nope, I'm making the current 5. So let's see. This is demo, yeah, demo only, man, demo only. So the rules will be shit. Let's make it into a doc. Let me start a doc here. Oh, my pound future trade might get stopped at break even. Alright, let me do a new sheet here. Alright, let's start a new one. All right, there we go. So the rules are, unless anyone wants to share their trades, we're going to go for 1-to-1 risk rewards, 20 tick stop loss and TP, and the bias is going to be based off the 30-minute close. So once we get the 30-minute close, I'll put in a poll. Even you guys can do it on Zoom if you want to as well. I'll put in the poll. You guys can say long or short, and we'll look to take that trade. That's going to be the rules. One-to-one risk reward, 20 tick stop loss and TP, and the bias. Yeah, the bias is going to be off the 30-minute close, and we'll do it as a poll. Unless the Furus are going to show up, the notables, then we're going to have some fun and do it that way. There we go. So, how long got? What time is it? 15 minutes. So you just had that 15 rejection on gold. I think you'll wick out the lows one more time. I'm still taking my normal trades as well. If you can see gold grab previous 15-minute lows and still respect that support, you may see a retracement back up. Yep. I wouldn't take the break of this current 5 because I think the gold needs to come and grab the 50-minute lows one more time. Sell gold 100 contracts market. Man, I can't take that many. I'm not allowed. Otherwise I would. Hey man. Hey Boston, what's going on, man? Ah, my god, my pound futures trade got stopped at break even. I haven't really traded pound futures, so it was just a little tester. But yeah, they got stopped at break even.
Thank you, sorry.
Yeah, so let's have a look. I want to see how Nasdaq closed on the weekly as well. The reason I'm looking for shorts on pound futures is because on the daily, I think you're going to see it push down into this liquidity. This previous daily low on gold, pound futures is very, very likely to be grabbed. We've been watching it since Friday as well, and didn't yet quite get grabbed. So I still think it's going to spike down a little bit more. And you're going to see some liquidity grabs. Contract sizing on pound futures is a bit weird. You got to trade pretty big size for it to be worthwhile. Well, it depends on the volume. You know, if you get short from here to here, then it doesn't. But I had short from here to here, and it was like $300 or something. So it wasn't a huge amount. So actually 15, yeah, 50 on gold probably grab that low. But if this 30 on gold doesn't close below the previous low, then you may start to see a retracement on gold.
$1940 the big below the futures.
1940, yeah, solid level.
I wish I could make your screens a bit bigger. Well, there's a lot of, well, enough of them. Like the big fucking guys.
The small ones, yeah.
Your charts on like the people. And
Yeah.
then there's a lot of black, like nothing again. So I wish I could work out how to do that.
Yeah, definitely. 20 tick stop loss. Right. Let's go up to here. I've got 11 minutes. You got a copy link. Personally, I'm entering long. Ooh, is that a signal, Geo? Is that the first signal of the stream? Yo, Adam, what's going on, man? What's up? Geo might be the first signal. Could see longs in the next 30 minutes. Yeah, it's bouncing nicely off that support. Is that financial advice on YouTube? Yeah, I think so, man. I think that's financial advice. What's the daily loss limit on a 50k account? Let me have a look. I can't remember.
Gotta be $1,000, yeah?
Is it 1,000?
Okay. Well, it's 100,000 is 2,000
Yeah.
daily loss, and I'm guessing it's $1,000.
Let's have a look. Yeah, no, so 2,000. So, no, sorry, yeah. So that's the max loss limit is 2,000. Yeah. So max loss limit is 2,000. So if we can trade a max of 5 contracts today, we're gonna have a 20 tick stop loss and a 20 tick target.
Okay.
Took long on the 40.5. Where's that? 40.5. Yeah. Very nice. Very, very nice. Why didn't we get that one?
Probably come down a bit more, to be honest.
I think 20 is too many actually. 20 take too long. Maybe we have to do 10. The range is too small to do 20 today.
Congrats.
20 ticks means $2. No, 20 ticks on 5 contracts would be about 1,000. It'll be about $1,000.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, I agree, David. I agree. If we don't close below that previous, yeah, I think so, man. I think so. So you've just liquidated that previous 5-minute high on gold, which is if you go in long, that's the level to be wary of. So you just grab that high now. Just grab previous 15. All right, we're gonna get the poll ready.
Come up and start doing live on YouTube
Oh, really?
last week.
I was thinking today I need to actually get it set up.
Did last week.
Okay, if I can get it set
That'll
up.
be up and
I mean, $2. Oh, sorry, yeah. $2, yeah. Yeah, I think $2 is too much of a stretch.
How's it going, boys?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Yo, chill, man.
Yeah, long time no see.
Yeah. So happening.
How's it going in Wet Wales?
Wet.
Nothing's changed.
Mate. I honestly thought, I think it's generally got worse, mate. I'm not even gonna lie. It's plugged in. Like, it's just insane.
Ugly.
Like, honestly, yeah. Fucking shit. We're not even in the proper winter yet.
Yeah, it's
We're
crazy.
not even into autumn yet, really. Like, we're flirting with it, trickling into autumn sort of thing, but what do you
I thought you guys had a heatwave by the summer, didn't you?
Nah, it was meant to, but it rained.
Nice English heat wave.
Yeah, we all like got.
Yeah, they say it every
so
bank holiday.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Fuck off. Shut up.
Just realised you're
Care
trading.
if the weatherman knows fuck all.
What is your futures ticker symbol on TradingView? GC. You can use GCZ, GC Gold, Z December contracts. How long we got 7 minutes? Love your content. Had a question about travel trading. When you started, did you travel for a long time? And if you did you have any savings to cover? Yeah, I shared I made a let me find it. I made a full video on how I did it all. But yeah, I had a personal account, I had savings, and I also had my first funded account. And I traveled around for what, like 3 years or something. I did a video though on how to become a travel trader. I think I shared how I did it in there. If I didn't, there is another video on my channel where I talk about my journey as well. But yeah, it's good. It's good to have personal savings for sure. Something to mentally fall back on, if like worse comes to worse. Which is where is it? Yeah. For 20 ticks, I would short. Oh, maybe, yeah. We'll see. Let's see. As soon as we get this 30 close, I'll send in the poll, and then whichever you guys is the majority vote is the trade that we're gonna look to take.
I'm thinking about a short. I got the bookmark up below. Hey.
So short doesn't really matter. Let's draw. We'll draw up both.
Can you put
I
the
will
poll
gold buy.
in our track as well?
So
Can you put a poll in our track as well?
no, I can't. You can join the stream. You can play along with the fun. We're gonna get the 30 close in like 4 minutes. Buy gold from 39.50 range. Stop loss at 37.50. All the way down here. Well, as soon as we get this 30 close, I'll put in the poll whichever is the majority of the trade that we're gonna look to take on this new account. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do max of 2 trades per day. I don't really know how to do it though because I don't have to take a trade every 30-minute close. So we'll see. The poll has to make sense, and then we'll look to take it. I will absolutely not be taking this on my personal account. This is just for fun. Yeah, then you guys on YouTube take these trades for me.
Absolutely not yet.
How long we got? 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Let me see. So we're gonna be doing 5 contracts, and we'll go for a 1-to-1, either 10 or 20. Depends how big the range is gonna be. So you guys will be able to see it when I put in an order. It will come up here. Oh. What do we need to pass at 50k? What is it? Do we need
$3,000.
3,000? Yeah. So 5 contracts, 3,000. How many ticks is that? I don't know. About no. Well, 10 ticks is going to be $500. Do you use Fib too much anymore? No, I use it if I'm looking at like a higher time frame, man. But on the intraday, like scalping like this, I don't use it, man. I use it on the daily and weekly, and that's it. It's good to use, but yeah, for intraday, yeah, it's no good, man. It's no good.
I got slipped like 1 point on futures.
Just now?
Yeah, while entering the shop.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, in London, yeah, it's gonna be normal. I think I had 2 before. That's not slippage. That's just poor liquidity in London. All right.
I was opening a car, it's down. I was just waiting for a wick to the upside, but now I think that grab is done.
Yeah.
Can't.
It's got one minute to close. Just grab previous 15-minute highs and lows. That would be a nice short from there. There's the little liquidity area. There's already 10 ticks. 1 minute till it's going to close. Oh, this is kind of cheating because you guys already have my analysis. Liquidity's sitting at 1939.2. Yeah. Down there, yeah. Agreed. So what if we do? If we do 10 and 10, I think we'll have to do 20 and 20. I don't want to blow the challenge count in one trade. Yeah, I think we have to do 20 and 20. Or maybe, I don't know. How big is 10? 10. 10. Yeah, 10 might be alright. Yeah, 10 should be fine.
What's the gold futures dark pool on trading?
GCZ23, man.
Cheers.
Alright, there we go, the polls in. By the way, guys, this next trade we take here is purely for fun of the viewers on YouTube. So if you guys want to go vote in the poll is now there. Let me make sure it's on. There you go. You guys better be quick. 50% long, 50% short. Well, if it stays like that, 75% short. Does that mean we have to go short? 50%. Oh. If it stays 50-50, then we got to wait for the next 30. 57% short. Hit 30 seconds. As soon as this 1 minute candle closes, that's the end of the poll, and that's the trade that we're going to be taking on this 50k account. It's 50 back to 50-50. 55% short. How long we got? 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn, look at that. 50-50. Alright. Well.
Go on. 5 contracts long, 5 contracts short.
Yeah, what am I supposed to do with that? 50-50. Alright, well, I guess we got to wait. We'll wait for the next 5 minutes, and then maybe we'll do it up to 5. Maybe the 30 is too slow. We'll wait for the next 5 to close, because you guys have got 50-50 there, which means, you know, gold may range. And to be honest, I can't call I couldn't really say a direction right now. You know, 30 has closed below. Respecting, but it's doji. So we'll wait for the 5 minute, and then we'll do the poll of where the next 5 minutes gonna go. And like I said, we'll do the same again. 10 and 10. James, sell. We gotta wait. We had 12 votes there. 50% long, 50% short. We'll do it. The next one, we'll do it in the next 30. And let me pin it as well. We'll change it from 20 to 10. And this challenge will last as long as the account lasts. And if we pass it, I'll give it away to someone.
Free money.
Yeah, free money. Okay, but if you guys call good signal, it's free money. I'll give it away to someone. Someone can have it. 50k account. Funny how it went 50-50. Yeah, it's pretty funny, David. Yeah, to be honest, I had no real direction either. I think you'll come and grab the highs and the lows. What are the odds? Yeah. But if you guys on Zoom, there's nothing. We're waiting here. 5 minutes. Grab the highs and grab the lows.
I took the short, but got out at B.
Yeah, this is probably a good shout, man. If you got closure below here, you probably would have been in a nice position. But as soon as it respected, yeah, break even is a good shout, man.
Yeah, that's why I took the support, like closed above the support, so I cut it off.
Yeah, good execution, man. Good job. Good shit, man. Good shit. Low of 1990 could be where PA wants to target and sweep. Yeah. Alright. You guys on Zoom can join in this one as well. I'm going to post it in a second. We're going to do it for the next 5 minutes. And we're taking this one. Oh, we got 1 minute here. Yeah, the odds on that were crazy. 50-50.
What is the odds of it going 50? How many people are there?
Well, it had 12 votes. So 6 people long, 6 people short.
Jesus. You're not putting money on that, do you?
Alright, well, I'll start it now, and then because I want to take it as soon as this next 5 minute closes so we can get it in time. So the poll's up. And in 48 seconds, that's the side we're going to take. Let me make sure I'm taking this on the fucking right account. Alright. 60% long so far. Had I got 37 seconds. Looks like people are pretty keen on longs. Oh no, people are just trying to jump shorts.
Okay, I'm taking longs.
Oh, 60% long.
Make it 100% and I'll take it.
23 seconds long. John else said long. Looks like everyone's looking long. And then we got 18 seconds.
Don't just go long for the sake of it, guys. Wait for the entry.
I'll take the YouTube.
Yeah, this is definitely not a signal bag. This is just YouTube having fun. 4 seconds. Alright, cool. Everyone's saying long. So
No bottom wick.
we're in.
My signals are. Rohan, you are actually in now?
Nah, I was looking for the bottom wick on this current fiber. Just
No,
not yet.
I'm sure you just said you were in now.
Well,
Come on, I'll talk.
Nah.
well, YouTube gave the signal of long, so that's the first trade of the day. We're gonna take one. We're going for a 1-to-1 here. Remember, guys, this is just for fun. I'm not actually taking this position on my real account. Yeah, 54%. Oh, I just went back to break even, but it already finished. Oh, so it's gone back though. The poll ended up fucking break even again. I have to close it here at break even. How did the poll go back to break even? 14 people voted and fucking 50-50 short and long again.
There it goes.
So it's invalid. But yeah, now it's pushing. It's just- but I had.
Bottom wick would have been nicer.
Yeah, it's very. I think we need to make this more fair. I think we wait for an actual breakout here of this 5. If we get closure above, then we'll look to do it again. But the fact there's no. Well, what are we? So we got in and out there. Oh, minus $25 on contract commissions. But it ended up going somehow 50-50. The voting is like reading a live chat tribute. I'm always the opposite. What happened? Break even again, yeah. Break even again. And it ended 50-50. This is a pretty nice level to potentially see a rollover here. So we'll get rid of that. Wait, I need my chart back. I need to put it up here instead. It's only Monday as well, so we don't have to blow the challenge straight away.
It's the YOLO challenge.
Yeah, well, that one was a break even. So did that one actually end up hitting? Well, originally it was long, and then someone got it back to 50-50. So whoever did that, we just missed out.
YouTube only live once. YouTube only lives once.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, still running. There's no break even.
You've been quite times there, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's not bad, is it? A nice little 4 or 5 point scale.
That's your $250 right there.
Yeah, right there, done.
And share it with the subscribers.
Do you still do weekly outlook? Oh, it depends if people want it. Not many people are joining, so I don't know if people really want to see it. But if people want to see it on a live stream every Sunday, then yeah, I'll definitely do it moving forward. Depends how many people want to tune in, and I need to find what time works best for everyone on a Sunday as well. I don't think London's too good. Like London open this time for everyone on Sunday. I'm not going to do that.
They're all drunk and hungover.
Yeah, they're all hungover. They don't want it that bad. So.
Especially how Arsenal played yesterday.
What was the score? Let me see.
They were 2-0 up.
Oh no.
Spurs.
Oh, 2-0. Shocking. And the goals.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
They took risks off at half time.
Alright, to make the challenge fair, we're gonna wait for an actual breakout. Once we get some volume, otherwise it's not fair if we just range and get stuck in a range. I'll make it a little bit fair for you guys on YouTube. And you might actually get a nice closure here. And you got 27 seconds. It's only moved because it's moving, like, you know, it's a little push up, but it's moving like 3 ticks. It's moving very, very slow. Very, very slow. Would it have ended up hitting TP? Not yet, I don't think. Ooh. You guys on YouTube need to find out who said to go short, because you guys have had a nice little win to start the streak. That would have been a nice start to the day. 10 ticks is just above here.
Would have covered the future losses.
Yeah. It's from democracy trade. So 30's grabbing 30 here closed below previous 30 low. Now you're gonna get a pretty big. I'm just gonna see what we actually got going on today. So you're bouncing off that support nicely. Failed to close below previous hourly low, but also at resistance. So looks like you are just within this 13 tick range for now on gold. On the hourly, might dip from that level. We'll see. Yeah, you may see a little spike up higher. So it's a big hourly resistance, also a big hourly support. And we got to we'll wait for the 15, and then we'll do the poll based on the 15.
Let's push.
We'll do it like this. We'll do bearish, bullish. So you just grab previous 30-minute highs there. Yeah, so it's at that back. Grabbing previous 30-minute high. Back at that resistance. Let me go to the quicker. Let's see, how long we got? 2 minutes till this 15. Looking at Nas shorts on the 1 and 5. Let me have a look here, man. Let me have a look at my personal here. Goldie's just ranging. Do we have any? I don't think we even have any news today. Yeah, Nas had a nice little sell-off actually, down into that support little double bottom. As long as S&P hasn't grabbed the current little double bottom on Nas, yeah, you may see a little drive lower, man. Right. We go again. The poll for the next 15 is up. As soon as we get the 15 closure, as long as it's not 50-50 again, that's the play we're taking. Ooh.
2025, I'll get to come see you also.
Ooh, yeah, good man. Do it. When are the games starting? Is it like our summer?
Yeah, I don't know when rugby season's over. Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
No. Your winter, I think end of your winter, I think
Yeah.
the games are.
Yeah, that'd be good, man.
Google will know.
Ooh, 60% bearish in this next 15 close. Ooh. We got 5 votes though, guys. Get your votes. You got 48 seconds.
No. It's 28th of June to the 2nd of August. That's your winter.
Yeah, that's our winter. Yeah, that would still be good though. 33 seconds. 60% bearish, 40% bullish. Oh, back to 50-50. Oh my days. How is it back to... You guys are making the market's fucking range today. 17 seconds. 57% saying bearish. What do we got? 4 seconds here. I think you're going to see gold spike high, to be honest.
Yeah, I think it's going to go higher. It doesn't look nice in liquid in 1 minute, but not that much.
Right, well,
Yeah, it's not even the bottom wick yet. Look at this spike.
well, you guys on the poll said bearish. So we've got to take that short trade on gold. 10 and 10 again. 57% bearish.
Are you allowed to override it?
For my own ones, yes. But for this is just purely to see how well the YouTube viewers do when they trade for me.
Came on.
No, they didn't. They didn't show up. So we're just having some fun instead. We'll do this for the whole week.
Back then.
Only if the account lasts.
Well, yeah, but yeah. In the next 5 minutes, we'll do another poll saying whether we should hold or close.
Don't blow it today, bro.
There's no top wick though, so you may survive this.
Are we 15 minutes behind?
Hold.
Like Reese in the chat.
Sorry, man.
Reese in the chat he's 15 minutes behind.
15-minute chart is 10 minutes behind you on JV.
10 minutes. Sorry.
Oh yeah, you're probably on the delayed version, man. So on TradingView, if you want the up to date, you just got to pay like $5 a month. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. All right. As soon as we get this 5-minute close, we're gonna put in the poll whether we should hold or close. You can use the current chart. Yeah. Current chart is basically the exact same, man. Yeah.
Sorry, I missed it. What was the reason for entry on this one?
Oh no, I'm not actually in this, man. Don't take this trade. This is just this is just for fun on the YouTube chat. I'll say when I take my actual ones, man. I see nothing right now, to be honest.
You just blow them.
Yeah, do not. This is purely.
You told them, get out.
So you boys all using Trendline? Is that the best one for gold futures?
Yeah, I use Tradeovate, man. Yeah, and I use Tradeovate and Ninja Trader. All right. We're gonna start a poll based off this next 5 minutes. 57% people. You know, you may see this dip lower right before the close. We won't close the poll until the 5-minute closes. Oh. 57% of people about to get stopped out. Look at this.
YouTube signal.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh no.
Keep it.
42% who said bullish were right. So always do the opposite, I guess.
Do the poll again, and I'm pretty sure everyone would be bearish now.
Yeah. We'll stack up some shorts. 80% saying hold the trade, 20% saying close.
I mean, we could reverse split them.
Yeah, well, that's what I said. Yeah, if 50% said bearish, there's your signal. 42% people said who said go bullish. You're up $250 right now. But no, whenever I see my actual opportunities, I will actually tell you guys. I see nothing just yet though. We're stuck in this hourly range. So, how long we got? 49 seconds. You guys can, in the poll, either hold or close. I'm gonna do this for the first hour because I want to start taking my own trades soon. Oh, all right. Well, we got it's 19 seconds here. You guys might not even get the opportunity. We're only going 10 for 10. 10 stop loss, 10 TP. Oh, this is not looking good. Whoever said go short. You guys owe me. You guys owe me $400. All right. Let's see. Oh, there you go. You got closed. 10 ticks. Minus $550 on the on the first trade of letting YouTube trade for me.
That's what I'm into right now. Holy what is this madness?
I don't think you've ever done that with 10 contracts also.
No. All right. So YouTube signals for the day. Minus 10 ticks. All right. That's your trade for the day, YouTube.
Everyone is in the chat.
Whoever the 42% was to say go bullish, you guys would have hit TP. So 71% of people still said hold the trade as well. 28% said close.
Going forward on the policy.
Bance, hold on. Bance.
Right, you know, on the 5 minutes, it was an actual entry in hindsight.
Yeah, there was long entry actually.
On the break of the high?
Yes,
Yeah.
mark it up.
But it didn't come down.
Like on the beginning of this one.
Yeah.
But there was no bottom wick on that pie, so I didn't take it.
Yeah, I was actually waiting to see if you could wick down this, and I would have been looking for that. If you wick down that 5, I would have been looking for that long.
Yeah.
So YouTube fam got stopped out by 10 ticks. I don't think it was a bad trade. I don't think it was the worst trade. You know, it's 15 resistance, but I think it's probably a retail trap. You know, double top. You want to be buying into double tops, buying into that liquidity.
It's taking out that trendline liquidity on 15.
So that's the trade for the day. And now I'm off to my own trades. So you guys on YouTube costed me 10 ticks today. Let's see if we can make it back on my account. Right. So what do we take there? So the account's sitting up. Where, how do I see? How do you see a P&L now? I don't think you can you? No, you can't. Well, minus $500 on the first day, but it's fine. You guys got the rest of the week, but that's your trade of the day. So now it's my turn to see if we can make some bank here.
I'm down like $1,000 on my channel.
Did you say YouTube signal?
Nah.
All right. do the opposite, man. Do the opposite. Looking forward to trade long for Nia, what's going on, man? I just sent you a message as well, man. Good to have you in. Good to have you in Discord, man. If you join the Zoom link, you'll be on real time with us as well, man. YouTube will be like 30 seconds delayed or something, but if you join the Zoom, man, you'll be able to chat with us here in Zoom as well. Yeah. In what I'm actually looking to see next is, you know, this is the trendline liquidity. I think this is the one that you mentioned, David. So good shout on that, man. It's now getting grabbed pretty nicely. But yeah, I agree. There was no bottom wick. So as soon as you do get a closure and a bottom wick here, yeah, we'll be looking for a play. So you got trendline coming on down here as well. Wait out the lows pushed up. Yeah, no real long opportunity just yet. You're probably going to see a nice breakout soon. You're going to see a nice breakout. Friendly Fire, what's up, bro? What's going on, man? What's going on? What up? So you guys on YouTube, you only get one trade a day, win or loss, and that's the one for today, unfortunately. I'll have to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again. Thought the chat agreed on going long. Nah, chat agreed on 57% said bearish, 42% said bullish. So if you guys who did go long, we should have gone long. If you guys had told the other ones, you know, you'd be smashing TP by now. Did I miss the YouTube trade? Yes, you did miss the YouTube trade. You did.
That would have been run
Yeah, it'd be running very nice. Yeah, we said long from here. Be running almost 15.
This one takes like a wick down.
Yeah, no, me too. For me, like my own trades, there's not actually an entry here just yet. As soon as you get a bottom wick on any of these fives, there's no bottom wick on these fives, which is weird.
No. So,
Even this pie didn't give a bottom wick. This pie didn't give a bottom wick.
Yeah.
Else I would have been in the longs already.
Yeah, it's messy, man. It's messy. Let's have a look on. See how this.
What's annoying?
You see here. Well, the thing is on gold, you're kind of trapped between Friday's high and low. So, if you grab the highs, amazing. I want to short into the low. But today's. Well, I mean, today doesn't have to do it, but at some point you're going to either wick out the highs or wick out the lows. I'm pretty confident you'll probably do it today. So it's kind of just taking a breakout into either of these two liquidity points, really. Which was bearish, but we were speaking about the 45 at close, not this one. Oh, man. I blew my account for you guys.
Oh, cheers.
But you know, for you guys on YouTube or Zoom as well, you guys already know how we trade it. But this trendline liquidity is exactly what I spoke about and posted in the new video yesterday. There's many different ways to trade this, but this is, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches of a trend line. 4 touches of a trend line, you want to be buying up into that liquidity. So 57% of people who said bearish, you guys didn't watch the Sunday video because there's a huge push up into that trendline liquidity. Anyone who's going short here is going to have stops just above this previous high, looking for this big play down. So whenever you see, like I say, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches of a trend line, you want to be looking for longs, because you can imagine everyone's trying to short that trend line, so you want to be buying up into that liquidity. But for your signal, guys, you get to go again tomorrow. How come you didn't take long? I would have gone long, Adam, if we had got a quick bottom wick on this 15. The 15 has no bottom wick, so if price opens at resistance and instantly pushes up, I can't take that. As soon as you get a bottom wick, then amazing, yeah, you can take the break of the high. But without no bottom wick, there's no entry unless you take it. Click buy as soon as the 15-minute candle open, but I don't trade like that. I would want to see that grabbed, and I still think at any point, you know, depending on how high you push, this whole move could get retraced as well. You're grabbing all the liquidity of this trend line, so anyone who's shorting gold right now is getting squeezed out. Fuck my life. Oh, let me see. Oh man, that was a lovely trade as well in June. What was that in the 1 minute? Yeah. Take a break at that 1 minute high. Yeah, that's quite nice because it grabbed previous 1 minute low, closed bullish, and then came down again. Yeah, that's some fuckery there, man. Some fuckery. I watched that video at lunchtime today. Now getting paid now. Joe said it perfectly. Yeah, good man. Yeah, happened. Like I say, happens all the time, especially on gold. I mean, on any instrument, if you see more than 3 touches of a trend line with no push like this, no manipulation, just be wary that it could come at any point. And look at the size of this juicy candle, 40 ticks.
Easy
peasy. Do you mostly scalp trade? Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah, scalp trade, you know, we're in and out 10, 15, 20 ticks. I used to swing trade, but now we just scalp trade, man.
Swings are 20 pips now.
Yeah, swings are 20 pips.
If I would be trailing below each pipe, it would be 20 ticks already.
Yeah, it's crazy. We swing the stop loss, but we scalp the TP. Yeah, I have it. If you know, you know.
Yeah, when you first said it, I was like, what? You did get me. You did.
Was that actually a double top as well, or did it already get grabbed? Yeah, it kind of already get grabbed.
Yeah,
But yeah, this
That's it. Lovely.
You may reject from here.
And then it's going to come back down to 1942. What's this over these? I think now. Or G there, does it?
No, it's gonna. I think it's completely flipped. Yeah. So if you get a bottom wick here on gold, come and grab some previous 5-minute lows. You want to be looking to buy up into that hourly high. I think that looks pretty nice. So, if you could come and grab this 5-minute low, this level here is also now going to be a nice left shoulder. This is the head. Come back down for that right shoulder, and you can see a nice push up here on gold. How many ticks do you have into that? 12. It's a bit too aggressive. Morning. Good morning, Ron, man. What's going on? And then I think if we don't get the retracement first and you grab the previous hourly high first, then you want to be looking for a short. But if we get the pullback first, I want to be buying up into that previous hourly high. The only place I can look for longs is once you grab this 5-minute low. We'll be looking for a bounce from here back up into the hourly highs for like 20 ticks. Or if you grab it now, then you want to be looking for shorts. But yeah, and anyone who was trying to trade this trend line on gold has all been stopped out. I got it on the 15, you don't see it on the 5 as well. So the YouTube chat got caught on that trendline liquidity that we talked about yesterday. Let's see. Okay, so there's no bottom wick on the 15 at all. I think the 5-minute needs to come down, grab some previous 5-minute lows, get that liquidity, and then you may see a push back up. You're also, if we look at this chart a little bit bigger now, you're also back at big support as well. Yeah, big support. Support, resistance, support, broken, resistance. But if you're gonna drop from this level, the likelihood is you're gonna see gold wick out the highs one more time. So is it more entertaining to watch the YouTube today? Yeah, absolutely, man. It is. The YouTube chat costed me a loss today. Told me to go short and gold ripped. So we're not off to a good start. It's only minus 10 ticks. You got like 50 or 60 for the challenge, I think. No, 500. Yeah, so you got 6 trades. The YouTube chat takes 6 losers, and that's the account gone.
Hey, question, I swear I don't know if my trader rate's wigging out, but to get, now you can trade on TradingView and you link your trader rate account to it.
Yep.
When I go onto my trader rate and go up to my add-ons, there's no option for TradingView to activate it.
Let me see, man. Let me try here. I just set up this new one and I didn't even have to do it. It just worked straight away. Let me see, add-ons.
So trader rate?
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, so on mine, if I go settings and add-ons, it says TradingView activated.
Yeah, see, I don't even have a TradingView box there, like not even an option for it. I have to message them or something.
See, like, let me show you. Let me share my screen. You have like this. If you go here.
Yeah, add-ons.
I got it there.
Yeah.
And this is one I just set up today as well. That's weird, man.
Mine's got tick stream, order flow, free indicators, advanced charting, and group trade. That's it.
What about if you try and log in on TradingView, does it let you, or does it not? Does it not let you either?
Nah, it says I've got to activate it. Like it says doesn't let me because I haven't linked it.
Hmm.
It says
Yeah, that's weird. No add-ons required. Yeah.
says TradingView has not been entitled to access to your account. Please log into the client dashboard and select add-ons and grant permission.
Yeah, that's the way that I do it, which is weird.
Yeah.
Mate, contact Tradeovate, not TopStep. They should be able to help you.
Yes, what do you mean?
They should be able to get it off you, man. Look at this gold rip. Maybe try another. Maybe try another browser. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, I reset it or something.
Yeah, like a private browser or something. It might work. Do you mind asking me what your strategy is, like the criteria before entering a trade? What? Criteria before entering a trade is just liquidity. So pretty much, to catch this move up, and this is a lovely play because you've got that trendline liquidity, which is a target area, which is what you want before taking any trade. You need to know where you're targeting. But for me to catch this play up, all I would have needed is a little intraday liquidity grab or a bottom wick on this 15. As soon as this 15, which is this 5 minute here, if it come down, wicked out previous, I would have had a buy order on the break of the high. So when it flips back bullish, you get tagged into a nice buy order. But as soon as that 15 minute opened, instantly pushed up with no bottom wick, which actually happened last time we did it as well. But yeah, I have a whole video on the channel about the gold strategy. But in this scenario, yeah, a little bottom wick on this 15, and I would have taken break the highs. But this 15 just opened and instantly pushed. So there's not even an opportunity to get into that. Criteria for taking a trade is ask YouTube and do the opposite. Well, it would have made quite a decent amount of bank today. Almost 30 ticks, which is like $3,000. You guys would have been up 1,500. Yeah, you would have smashed the daily TP. Yeah, you guys would have smashed it. We had to close it before, and you guys would have already crushed it. Would have been trailing as well. Look at that trail below every 5 minute low. Still wouldn't even be out. So it looks like, I don't know, you may be coming for the daily highs up here. Like I say, we're just stuck in between the daily highs and daily lows. What do you think about shorting now? Nah, not really, man. Nah, it's way too bullish. You're probably just, if you're gonna see a retrace, you're gonna probably range for the next like 20 minutes anyways, because it's a way too big of a push to trade against personally. This is a massive push for London. 50 ticks, yeah, it's huge, absolutely huge. I'll look at the chart, man. Have a look. Oh yeah, that was nice, Reese. Yeah, nice trend line coming on down there. Support one as well. Yeah, see that entry where you had? Yeah, I would. That's exactly what I wanted. Which is here. As soon as you got a bottom wick there, amazing. Yeah, you'd be ripping that move. You'd be trailing below the 5 minute lows, locking in like 30 ticks now as well. This is my version of the YouTube trade. Yeah, well, it made bank. It made absolute bank. And a very nice push. Because this is also, like, if we look back, this is also a level where people see, breaks and retest to short from here. So this is a big retail trap short level. Resistance and also a trend line coming on down. So people see trend line and resistance, that's textbook heaven to jump in short, and that's why you're seeing gold absolutely rip.
Gold isn't stopping today, yeah.
That's pushing. Ripping. I say it's ripping, it's not. Like on the higher time frame, it's not actually doing much.
I would like to get this.
Nah, not my trade. Yeah.
Look at the push.
It's just about a 30-minute breakout.
43.
So you don't have to come and grab. You can come and grab any lows now. He doesn't have to come all the way back down there. Can you come and grab that 5 minute low? You'd come into. So you're grabbing these highs now as well, which is a double top on the futures chart. Double top right there. Currently being grabbed. very, very aggressively.
I
Looking
think
to
that's
short.
underdone. It's already 60 ticks up.
Yeah, it's pretty much.
Negative waves. Negative waves.
Looking to short 1928 for a level on gold. 1928.8. I think if you come up that high, if you come up to 1928, there's also going to be anywhere around here is the level where retailers are going to try and do something like this. People try to jump in shorts here. Stop loss goes above previous daily high, above this resistance, and this is where you'll probably see a liquidity grab to this high. So if you have a look at gold on, and this is what you want to see though. You want to start to see some rejections from these regions.
Thing is, the current candle is too big to get a wick.
Yeah.
Like it has to come down 18 pips and then 18 pips back up for the wick out.
Yeah, so if you get any rejections from here is where retailers are going to be trying to do something like this, looking for this play. So the more you reject from here, the more likely you're going to see gold spike up into these highs. So anywhere, if you can get it, any pullbacks, you want to be buying up into that resistance. Buy up into that resistance. So you could get pullbacks probably anywhere back down to this level at any point, and that's going to be your next buying opportunity. So from here back up into there, you've got 40 plus ticks. So actually on the higher time frame on gold, you bounced off this previous resistance pretty well. Well, very well actually. You had that previous resistance there, broke above, came all the way back down for the retest, no bottom wick on that hourly, instant push back up.
The double top in the currency and the futures.
Halloween month zooms out.
Gone with the jokes. Okay, cold, Robin. It's dark, it's damp.
Yeah,
Fucking miserable. It fucking really is. It's fucking horrible.
So I think on gold, boom, and then boom, which probably won't come on until later on.
There's another Welsh guy in the community as well. We're taking over.
He's in Australia, so it doesn't count.
Is he?
Yeah.
No, not George.
Who?
He's actually not Welsh.
Oh, I thought George was Welsh. Or from Wales or
No,
something.
he lived in Wales. No,
Oh.
he lived in Wales.
just
He's
lived
not
there.
that-
That's an insult, sorry
Yeah, he's
George.
not that-
Pretend.
Sorry man, that's an insult.
Yeah. Yes, thank you.
Oh, when it supports such a terrible rugby team, well,
We won't go there. We're doing well at the moment, so can't say much about England. Though. But anyway, not that they kicked you out of your own World Cup or anything. But I'd forgotten about that. I don't think
we've
about
actually
that.
won a World Cup, so
Yeah.
you'll get yours.
We will this year.
It's a big statement.
It is. I actually cried that day. I remember it. I nearly broke my parents' TV.
Really?
Genuinely, I'm so upset. I was also like you're a kid. I'd probably be the same now, but Johnny Wilkinson, bastard.
What a legend. What a legend.
Yeah, he is a legend. He is an absolute legend.
What a man.
He could drop goal from anywhere, fair play to the block.
Look at this rip. Look at this push.
Yeah, I think he can go up a little bit more.
Yeah, I reckon it is. That's why I want to see a bottom wick, a nice closure and a bottom wick, so we can ride this up. Because yeah, it's pushing very well. There's a lovely breakout there. See, even on the breakout of this trend line, you didn't even get any. Yeah, you got no bottom wicks at all. So unless you take it off the rip, well, I mean, it's got no bottom wicks to even the highs and the lows, so that's a big no-no. If there's a no bottom wicks to the highs and the lows, you do not want to trade that. So glad I gave it 4x pairs. Main trade.
You don't go wicks. I go wicks on mine.
Is there? No, on the currency there's actually no wicks, no. On this 5-minute candle at 750, there was no top or bottom wick. Now we trade gold futures. Yeah, good man. Same as me, man. Futures are the key.
1927 level on futures currency is quite
Yeah.
strong.
So you don't need to grab that low. You may grab just this low now. Bring it up every single time. As soon as you wick out some lows, flip back bullish, and you may come and run some highs. But it's pretty overextended now as well.
They've been in and out. But you went to 20 contracts, you only need 2 pips, so
Yeah, you'll still get a 15-20 tick push there, easy. Easy. Oh, Angel, what's this on? Oh, lovely. On Nasdaq, yeah, lovely trade, man. Great trade. Let me have a look here. Yeah, lovely push. Are you on the 1 minute there, maybe? 1 minute? Is that a 1 minute rip? Doji. Yeah, lovely push, man. Lovely push. So you got long from broke above that level, little retest. Yeah, great trade, man. Lovely trade. Lovely push. Lovely push, man. Nice, yeah, beautiful, man. Nice closure. As soon as it rejects from there, you know, people try to jump in short, stops above that high as your buying opportunity. Very nice, man, very nice. Trail aggressively now. It's pretty much your push for the day. Lovely trade, man. Alright, 15's just closed bullish on gold. We currently create a bottom wick. If we can see these 5-minute lows get grabbed, we can look for a play out of this now. This is what we want to see. So you can either take the retest once you grab the 15-minute lows, or you can just wait for the break of the highs. Doesn't really matter. If you take your break of highs, your stop loss will be hard stop will be down there. You'll see where that can run. Because all has taken, yeah, grabbed all of them, man. That's the thing, yeah, you grabbed this little double top here, but you haven't closed above. But there's no, I think, you know, if you're going to have push up, I think you're going to come and grab the previous high. But yeah, you'd have to be wary of stops, because at any point, you know, gold could close like this, get a huge bottom wick like back down to these levels before coming up to the highs of this range, which is it's a pretty solid level. What time is it? 20 minutes into London Open here. So 5 minutes just coming down, grabbing previous 5-minute lows, kind of retesting these little levels here. Yeah, I honestly wouldn't be surprised to see gold have to create space now. It's a big push up. A very, very big push up. Like, you could see easy gold just do, like, you know, something like that for the next however long. Let me repin. About to grab the 5-minute low here on gold.
tiny wick as well, also, isn't it?
Yeah, there is a very fine one.
Not on the pictures.
What's the YouTube trade about? I missed it. Oh, Paul, we're just having some fun this week. I'm letting you guys on YouTube call the trades on this new Top Step account. So we already had I'm gonna do one trade a day. I don't want to blow the challenge for you guys in one day, but we're just doing one trade a day. Once you get like breakouts, you guys will call bullish or bearish, and that's the trade we'll look to take. It started off at the people who were attempting to talk shit, but none of them show up, so now we're just kind of doing it for some fun. Don't know if the crack. 5 minute close below previous low, you may see it drive a little bit lower here. So because you closed below the low, the next target's probably going to be down there. Maybe we'll start a YouTube series where I'll start taking all these Furu signals and see how it goes. It could be pretty funny.
You'd probably get a few views.
Yeah, probably would. Yeah.
I'm trying to probably would.
I'd watch someone do that.
Yeah.
I watched someone do a video where they paid someone on Fiverr to trade from them. That was pretty funny.
They paid someone to
Yeah, paid someone on Fiverr to trade their signals. And it went very bad.
Well, at least I paid you 15.
Oh no, not like £5. There's a website called Fiverr where people like freelance on.
Was there?
Yeah. Like Fiverr with 2 hours. Not you paid someone like £5.
By percentages?
Yeah.
No, don't go with them. Trust me.
No, do not go with them.
Wait, it's on YouTube.
Seen a bloke review HST. Oh really? Fuck, that'd have been funny. That's a pretty good idea too. I would have liked to do that one.
Basically, all the funding companies I've tried.
Yeah, Alan's the guinea pig.
Fuck.
Which is the worst one?
5% in the end. Because
Yeah.
They just changed their rules. I passed a few challenges, and it's just like
Anything to see you make money.
it is like it's. What was the one? What was the one I passed and failed in the same day?
Because they went under that one.
Yeah, because
Oh yeah, fucking funding talent.
funding talent. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the worst.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Passed my challenge, and then as soon as I passed the challenge, I have an email. Yeah, we're going under.
Yes, so bad.
It's like, you fucking serious?
Yeah, it's so bad.
Ah,
Still in, yeah.
fuck.
Great, that's a great hold, Angel man. Great hold. Even if you got out like around here, amazing hold, man. It was a great trade. 50 ticks, beautiful. So you look at that. Gold was looking incredibly bullish on this 30. You tried jumping longs, you're into instant drawdown. So you have to see if you close above this previous high. If you don't close above this previous high, you could just still create space. You grab this little double top. It's too overextended for me to want to jump in shorts. 15 closed very bullish, so jumping in shorts is almost trying to predict a bit too much. If you want to go short, you maybe get closures below here, and you may go short, but we want to see how this 30 is going to close. Just got tagged out. Yeah, good trail, man. Very, very good trade. Great trade. There's a great hold as well, man. Great hold. How's pound look? I was looking for some shorts on pound today. Let me see if that's still. I think it's pushed up a little bit more. 15. Let's have a look. So have you re-grabbed the highs yet? Yeah. So I think for anyone who's trading pound futures, let me see. If you just grabbed these highs, no, you kind of got double top there now. You want to be looking for anywhere around here for pound to dip back down into these daily lows. think it's going to be a pretty easy target today. You may see a little push up higher first. But yeah. If you get like... So you probably want to see now like a spike up on pound futures. Closure below top wick, and then you want to be looking for that drive back down. If I guess all the YouTube trades in the right direction, do I get a funded champion on the tree? Ron, if you join the poll next time and you call the trades right, you can have the 50k account. You can have the funded top step account. I'll be giving it away. If anyone on YouTube gives us signals to trade on the account, and you do well, you can have the account. This is purely for fun. I'm not gonna if somehow YouTube passes it, which easily could, I will be giving it away.
But can you really transfer the account to their name?
Nah, I'll probably just give them details to trade it or whatever. There's plenty of ways to do it.
Yeah, only if they reach the payout.
Same as the video last night. Yeah. That's perfect. That's perfect, man. Angel 5 minute. Yeah. See, look at that. You got that rejection off it perfectly. Them rejections right there is pure retail heaven, man. I'll show you guys on YouTube. We got Angel in the Zoom who's just taken NAS longs, NQ longs based off the exact trendline video that I posted yesterday. And exactly the same as what's happened here on gold today. You got the trend line coming on down here. This is... Where's the risk reward tool? This is where everyone tries to jump in shorts, where they have their stop just above that second touch. So at any point, you want to be buying up into that liquidity grab. So people get shorts, you get that rejection. People keep jumping in shorts, and then bam, you get stopped out because you had no liquidity grabs. So there's no liquidity grabs. You short that resistance, you're trading like retail traders. So buying up into that resistance, there's your second touch, grabbed perfectly. Buys from this support would be beautiful. So yeah, great play, man. Very good play. Exactly as spoken about yesterday. Look at that. So gold's closed back below the low. Again, no top wick on these 5 minutes, which is fucking crazy. 30-minute closing back below this range. You're gonna see it dip low here. Tip is life-changing, Aaron. Yeah, good job, Paul. Glad it helps, man. It's very key. Happens every single day. It's happened on gold futures today. It's happened on Nasdaq today.
Today is literally like when gold is moving up, there's no bottom wick, and when gold is moving down, there's no top wick.
Yeah.
30-minute counter is beautiful.
Yeah, very nice, man. Very nice. How many contracts would you say is good for 150k combine? Depends on how well you manage your risk. I was trading 10, but I managed my risk, so my losses would never be more than 1%. But if your average, the amount of contracts you can trade depends on your data. If you don't have the data, you have no idea. I would start off with maybe 5, get comfortable trading 5. But yeah, for me personally, I was trading 10. My losses were never more than 15 ticks, and that was probably the biggest. Yeah, get on it, Angel. Get on it. But, if you trade gold and your average stop loss is like you're coming from FX like 20 pips, then 10 contracts, there's gonna be a pretty big hit to your account. So I would trade with less than that. If you trade it on TradingView, you can work out percentage risk as well. So are we still logged into the account here? Yeah, we are. So if you go trade, create new order. So you can put your stop loss in a dollar amount as well. So if you were to risk $1,000, it'll tell you the price, tell you the size, and yeah, you put in all your account details, and you can use it like that. So you can get 30 close in 1 minute. 30 is going to close pretty heavy here, I think. Back into the range. So what drawdown? If you shorted that resistance, drawdown 25 ticks. 45. But yeah, there's no setups for me just yet. If we get this 30 close, you may get something, but right now, Don't chase this up. Don't chase this down just yet. If the 15 just completely engulfs, you know, you may see it roll over. Nice volume. Yeah, very nice volume for a Monday, man. Very nice. I took the little play from here to here. I took that little short. I didn't get to get this one though. Even that closure above there. That was nice liquidity grab there. Closure above. Even a little bottom wick on that 5 minute would have been a lovely one as well. Because you grabbed the lows, rebroke the highs. Quick bottom wick. Yeah, it's a huge volume for a Monday, yeah. Let me see. Let me check fundamentals again this week. Let's see what US has later on. Yeah, enjoy, Angel man. Enjoy, man. Good trade today.
Great trade, Angel.
Yeah, great trade, man. Great trade. So what have you got today? Nothing. No news today. Tomorrow, consumer confidence. What else have you got for the US dollar?
CPI.
Yeah, GDP, unemployment claims. Yeah, FOMC. GDP for the Canadian dollar. So yeah, you got pretty interesting week. Instant bottom wick here on gold. I don't think we're gonna get a play today in London just yet. I don't think. Nothing's looking clear for me just yet. You're gonna, if you retrace from here, you can look for a short because you're at least gonna come and grab some of these 15-minute lows here on gold. But I would have considered an evening start if you get a top wick around here as well. Let me get rid of this level. It's getting a bit too noisy. So 15 was looking, 30 was looking incredibly bullish. Everyone tries to jump in longs, comes straight back down, fails to close above previous high. If you get a top wick around here, this is going to be a short area into previous 30 lows and back down into this level. I would love it. I would love to see us give a top wick before grabbing these lows, and that's going to be my short area here on gold. And I think it's going to be a pretty nice play. So on the 5, anywhere above this 5 minute high in this region is going to be a lovely short level. Stops above the highs. Seeing if this can have a run back down. And it's going to be a nice setup there. As long as you don't grab these 30 minute lows or 15 lows, that's going to be the trade. I'll be joining the community soon. Yeah, awesome, man. Welcome anytime. Welcome anytime.
Why is it so dark?
On your screen?
You generally can't see me.
No, I can't see it, no.
You're like Batman.
I'll take that.
Oh, don't grab
The dark and wet it is. I feel like I live in a cave.
Is the golf course still flooded?
Yeah, generally. Like, it's just fuck.
I mean, Batman plays golf, so yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Alright, there
Probably
you
be a badass golfer.
go. There you go, grab the lows, no shorts.
Gold. On gold.
Have you been to the driving range, Ryan?
Nah, I haven't been in a while, man. I kind of fell off. I got into it a little bit and I kind of fell off of it, to be honest. I look at my golf clubs every day like I need to start playing again, but I just never get around to it. I don't even have the time. I need to start prioritizing it.
It is time, isn't it?
I just need to... I'm trying to get back into the gym as well. The gym helps me.
I need to go back to the gym.
Just helps mentally, like with trading for sure. Too busy with his eight income streams. Not eight yet, not eight. We're getting there. We're getting there. Naughty run. Comfortable risking 0.5 per trade with max 2 positions per day. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So then if you're trading gold futures, yeah, I'd stick to 2 to 5 contracts max. I don't think you need any more than that. I think you could probably trade it pretty consistently. The good thing about Top Step is there's no rush, man. There's no time limit, so you can take as long as you want, and that's the good thing about it. There is no rush. Did you just grab previous 30 lows there? Because if you do, you may look for longs into a top wick. Oh, look at that hourly wick. Messy, messy, messy. So if we look at what's actually happened so far today, not a lot. Gold hasn't really done anything today. You can zoom in on the 5 minute as much as you want. Gold has not really done anything today. Get rid of this. Maybe you grab the lows in the currency chart. I'm not sure. If you grab previous lows in the 30 currency chart, you could long into top wick. I don't know if you did. Let's have a look. No, you didn't. Not yet. So if you create a top wick, then these are now going to be, which are still valid, the liquidity lows. So if you still get that top wick, still a valid area. So you're going to be looking for shorts around the initial wick of the potential evening star.
Is that around 44.5?
Yeah, on the futures. Yes, around 446. Yeah, or close to 445. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. So that basically is this high here.
Oh my god.
With FTMO, even though it's unlimited now, they require 1 trade a month to be taken, or they close the account. Yeah, I had that before. But it's a little bit annoying, but it's not too bad. Like, even if you just open like a 0.01, like if you take a break from trading, you have a funded account, whatever. Yeah, just take like a 0.01, and that's pretty much your trade for the month. But yeah, if anyone doesn't know about that rule, I imagine that's caught a lot of people off. Yeah, that's a pretty.
I would like to see their income prior and after to this new rule of theirs with unlimited. I'd like to see the difference.
Yeah, well, I think even since my Forex funds went down, they would have fucking gained a shit ton of business.
Yeah. I bet it's evened itself out though. A lot more people would have passed. So a lot more people would be making their money. So possibly it might even itself out.
I saw someone refer to my Forex funds as my frozen funds, which was pretty funny.
Jesus.
My frozen funds.
I've never been with them.
Dodgy fuckers.
They're the only shit company I haven't been with.
I went with them once. I never actually even passed it, to be honest. I went with them once. On a trade copier, it would always be the one that would get slipped the most.
Yeah.
You could make like, say if you made like 1,000 on FTMO, my Forex ones would always be like 700 or something.
Oh, fuck's sake. That isn't good.
Nah, shit. Still got no top wick in this current 30 on gold.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Goldie, you're gonna give us something. Down here, it would be the next long opportunity, I think.
I wouldn't like shorting down to them, to be honest.
Yeah, if it could grab here, I would love to short into that. I just need to see this 30 create a top wick. Short from here. Yeah, it'd be 20 ticks. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Has Mark left yet? Or?
Nah, I think he still has another month or so, a couple of weeks maybe. I think Joe's going soon, maybe this week or next week. I'm not sure.
How long are they going to stay over in Vietnam?
Sorry, man.
How long are they going to stay in Vietnam?
Well, they're going to Thailand for like a month, and then Vietnam for a month, and yeah, they're just kind of then going back to Thailand for like 3 months or something. They're doing quite a while, yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's really good. And they'll be joining the trading retreat as well on their travel journeys.
Mm.
43 people in the chat. Guys, drop a little like for the stream. We'll be back again tomorrow as well. You guys can continue the challenge.
To travel and stay together.
Yeah, they're doing it together, man. Yeah, hopping around together. And meet up with Ron in Thailand as well. Hopping around together, man. They're thinking about spending Christmas together in the PP Islands, which is pretty nice.
That's nice.
Must be
Oh,
nice.
the PP, I love PP.
Oh man, imagine it on Christmas and New Year's. Fuck, it'd be insane.
No, that was my favourite.
Yeah, it was stunning. We should have stayed there longer.
I know it was just a weekend, but it was just so
Chill.
beautiful. It was just, okay, you could say it was like a tourist area, but it wasn't at the same time. I loved it.
It had like, even though it's a tiny island, it had parts where you could go to. It literally could just be you. It's fucking, it's beautiful. It's probably one of the nicest places I've been to.
Yeah. I was alone on the beach for a while,
Yeah.
trying to get into the sea, so
True story. It's not, no cat there.
Red-eyed. I'm fine. You're not fine.
Hannah came back. I love you guys. Fucking love you guys. With the changs.
I still got my rocks. Look. You see the rocks?
Yeah, no, you see it. There you get the camera bigger. Oh yeah, you do. Nice.
They're still here.
Nice. Yeah, I think Bali will be good for next time. I'm keen to switch it up. It'll be a shame you're not coming out. We'd like you there, to be honest. If you wanna book a last minute trip over, we would love to have you back on it.
Oh, you cutie. All goes well.
Yeah, I mean, get funded and smash some goals. Who knows, man? You've got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Futures,
but yeah, the big goal is 2025.
Yeah, that'd be good, man. You should go. How are you going to come for? Quite a while.
We'll see who comes with. The old man has said that he wants to come, so
nice.
We'll see. To be honest, I'm kind of guessing the missus won't leave me go to watch the British Lions rugby without her, so she'll probably want to come. But we'll see.
Yeah.
Closer to the day.
Yeah.
But 100%. My travelling days isn't over.
Nah, no way, man. Never.
If I didn't have the gear I have with myself, then I would be on the Bali.
Yeah,
I'm just
absolutely.
not ready to commit mentally yet.
Yeah. Kind of press on my execution on futures, but my forex brain is having issues with the little stuff. Even though strats are the same. Yeah. Only thing with futures is just getting used to setting orders and managing orders based off taking partials, TPing, and trailing stops. Like if you got short on this 10 contracts, you closed 50%. You got to remember to change the amount of the new stop loss because it's always just done on orders. But unless you do it on TradingView, but I personally don't. But that's how I do it. Like if I'm ever in a trade. But the good thing about it is, you can also trail like partials of a position as well. So if you get long from down here or whatever, and you want to trail, you could just trail like 50% of your position and then leave the other 50% at break even. And then once that 50% gets taken out, then you can start trading the rest. So it's good. I prefer it in the way of setting orders opposed to having to go on MT4 and setting a TP and stop loss. entering a trade and the stop loss with literally like a click of a button. Executing a trade should be as easy as possible. As easy as possible. I mean, that's for scalping. For swing trading, it doesn't really matter. But for scalping, yeah, you know, all your thought process wants to be going on executing the position as quick as you can. If you waste time fucking dicking around with other apps and risk management calculators and typing in figures into MT4, you know, you've already missed the trade. Whereas we could be here and I could take a trade in 2 clicks. I could be in a trade. I can't remember where I heard someone say that, but yeah, you should be able to enter in a trade with like 2 clicks or less.
So quick.
Yeah, it's good, man. I don't even have Tradeovate or Ninja on my phone. I will never take a trade on my phone anymore. Oh, it's a nice level.
Yeah, I know. That's, who are you with? Have you got like a Tradeovate private account?
Ninja, man. I got Ninja. Well, it's the same.
A Tradeovate.
Yeah.
Did Tradeovate do it or no?
Yeah, you can do personal on Tradeovate. Yeah.
Okay.
I did it on Ninja just so I got Tradeovate on one tab and a NinJaTrader on another tab. The Ninja web platform is literally the exact same as what you're using right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll have to have a look. I want to take my private account out of Blueberry.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with Blueberry. Just I don't want to trade on my phone anymore. It's quicker.
Nah, I agree, man. Same as me.
So that's why I want to make a private account with.
You could see. I don't know what the position sizing is like. Australian dollar looks good for a push. And anyone who's trading FX, this is just AUD USD. If this 5 minute can flip bullish, you could see Australian dollar have a nice push up here. It's a nice little inverse head and shoulders. Price broke back above the level. Look at the daily. Previous day closed bullish. 4 hour, come grab previous 4 hour high. Hourly bullish. 30 bit doji. How long you guys still got? 15 minutes. 15 just grabbing previous. Yeah, if you could see this 15 reflip back bullish on Australian futures AUD USD, you could see this have a nice push up and a pretty decent one as well. Like I say, I don't know what the contract size is like, so I don't know if I'll be able to take this. Let me see. I took that pound futures trade today. I originally entered in like 5 contracts and it was tiny. Let me see here. Was it 6A December 23? It's the wrong chart.
Anything with gold now.
Even wick out once before.
So small.
Yeah. Where would the buy order be? Buy order would be at 64420. Yeah, look at that. Goldie is just still pushing down. No liquidity grabs down, no liquidity grabs up. So just letting it do its thing. I don't care. But this Australian futures trade could be quite nice here. I may take a little position. Probably want stops a little bit lower. I don't know what the contract size is like, so it's difficult to say. Yeah, look at this. This is a crazy run up, crazy run down. This is just some Monday manipulation by the look of it on gold. Look at that hourly now. So the hourly ended up holding that resistance. Like I say, if you short these levels, so you get the closes, 28 ticks drawdown, and only 15 in profit. You may get the evening star here again based off the hourly closure.
I mean, you would be profit in the YouTube trade.
Yeah, YouTube guys are back to break even now. almost.
I think I'm done for the Monday.
Yeah, almost will be, man. Me too.
Yeah, I missed the longs.
No missed entry for me personally, but
Nah, I didn't miss any. No. No
right,
entry.
have a good one, guys. See
Enjoy,
you
man.
tomorrow.
Take it easy, man.
Bye.
Anyway. Where else could you play this into? Yeah, it could be a nice little play actually. One to watch. Even for you guys who don't trade futures, it's the exact same as AUD USD here. So AUD just grab the lows nice there as well. Strong 5-minute close on gold. Look at that. Huge, 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 huge.
Traced the whole move.
Yeah.
40 ticks up, 40 ticks down. Might be setting up for some shots in the New York.
Yeah, I think so, man. I think London may range. I think only thing I can see for London is if you get a top wick like that, you may see that evening star. You could chop around in this level for quite a while. So you grabbed these highs pretty well, but no entry.
No top picks on the 15s.
Yeah, nah, no trade for me, man. Double top. Yeah, I don't think we're going to see a play. I don't think we're going to see a Goldie play today here, unfortunately. But it is only Monday. I can say it's only Monday. Only play I've had today was that little liquidity play there. We got something like that up here. Resistance, grab the highs, push down. Resistance, grab the lows. Could have had the exact same play, but no grabs. If anyone wants to take that AUD USD play, it looks pretty nice to me. You may see it actually push much higher. Be careful with the contract size now. I don't know what it's like to trade Australian dollar futures. Yeah, alright guys, I'm gonna leave London there. Nothing's really shaping up here. If you want to go short, you got to kind of wait for closure below there. Like you're just trapped within here. Only other short level is going to be if you get top wick around here. But I personally would wait until pre-New York. It's only Monday. Let price develop a little bit more. I think it's just going to range. And then I think New York, you may get... Oh, pre-New York, I wouldn't wait for the open. I'd trade pre-New York. You may get a little bit more active. Once I see some breakouts, if you guys on Zoom, I'll share some more levels in Discord. But I'm going to close the charts now. I don't like the look of this price action. And maybe in 2 hours, I'll see more structure. So you're looking at now bouncing back higher, and then draw some more levels. But I'll talk to you guys in Discord as well, and I'll share more details of this setup as well if anyone does want to look into it. So yeah, I'll let you Zoom guys go. Talk to you soon. See you guys. Bye. All right, YouTube fam. First day of the challenge, letting you guys pick the trade. You guys did take a little loss, but it doesn't really matter. It was only minus $500. We'll do the exact same again tomorrow. We'll do the poll. We'll go for 1-to-1 risk rewards, make it fair. And then, yeah, see if you guys can get a trade. But yeah, I'm going to leave London now. For me personally, I haven't really taken any trades on stream. I took a little pre-London scalp down, but it was a very, very small move. So I'm going to let price develop a little bit more and then come back again for maybe pre-New York and then see if we get some movement then. But like I said, we'll be back on again for London tomorrow. So hope you guys join in. Remember, trade safe for the rest of the day. You guys have my levels. Watch out for the Australian dollars futures play and you may get a nice push there. But trade safe, be smart. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll do it all over again. Peace.